Yo, what is going on, guys? So this is a brand new updated tutorial showing you how to get free CP in Call of Duty Mobile or CODM. This is the fastest method, guys, using a working CODM redeem code in 2026. So this is a simple code that you enter into the redemption center, enter it in there with your user ID, and it is going to supply you with tons of free COD points. This is the fastest and easiest method to get free CP in CODM, and this works in 2026. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do plan on making more updates, and I have made previous videos as well. So let's get into it, guys, and show you how to get your free CP in CODM. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone, before I show you guys how to do that, make sure you learn where the redemption center is. So once you go and get your code, you enter in your user ID and redeem code, and then you do the verification, and it is going to basically supply you with your free CP. So anyway, what you're going to want to do is use your mobile internet browser. So do this on your mobile phone. Head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys. You can pause the video and copy that down. Hopefully you can spell, and that is going to bring you to this website here. I've used these previously, and yeah, they have loads of pages. I recommend just searching for CODM, and it should pop up, guys, but you can just search for Call of Duty as well. Now, these codes actually do work for Warzone as well as Modern Warfare. But yeah, I play Call of Duty Mobile, so that's what my videos are focused on. So go ahead and scroll down, and this is the code, guys. 10,000 free CP. So this is a simple redeem code, guys. Like I said, you enter it into the redemption center, and it is going to add it to your account. Now, 10,000 COD points is probably about $100 worth, so this is going to save you so much money, guys. Now, because these are pretty much unlimited, well, they are limited. There's 700 codes, and this is like $100 worth of CP. You do need to unlock your code, and this basically stops people getting more than one of them. So yeah, click on that, and it's going to bring you to this code unlocker, and it basically tells you how to unlock your code. Now, I can't do this again, I did this earlier, but yeah, you just need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below, and as you can see, these are mostly like mobile applications. They are completely free as well. So you just make sure you follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. And if you do that, your Call of Duty Mobile redeem code will be revealed. And this one is going to give you 10,000 free CP. So once you get your code, guys, keep it safe, because it is a one-time use code. Once you use it, it will then be invalid. So that is it. Go to COD Coupons. And if you have any questions or need any assistance, let me know in the comment section. But do just make sure you follow all of the instructions. And that is how to get free CP in CODM working in 2026. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.